Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video we will learn some setting about the different themes of Ansys Workbench, and we will also learn about the how can we change the background color of the Ansys Workbench. Okay, so let's start. So we will click on the tool option, and here we will click on the options. So this option window will pop up. So here we will click on the appearance. Okay, in appearance setting you can see there is a workbench theme. So there are only two themes available. First one is classical theme that we can see by default. This is the classical theme, and if we will select the light theme and then we will click OK, and now you can see that this is the light theme. So if you like the light theme, from here you can see that the color is become light. So if you like the light theme you can use this one, but if you like the classical theme then you can use the classical theme. You just need to go to the tool option and here appearance, and here you can select the classical theme. So it's up to you which one you like, and then we will set OK. So now this is the classical theme. Here you can see that this is the classical theme, and the next is how can we change the background color. So you will go to the tool, then go to option, and here in the appearance you can see that the style is top to bottom gradient. Like if you open this one, so you can see that this is top to bottom gradient. You can also use left to right or bottom to top. Okay, and you can also select the settings of uniform. So if you will select the uniform, and then you will see that the color is uniform. Okay, and you can also change this color. We will just go to the tool, then go to option and then appearance. So here you can see different background colors are available. Like if you want to select green, blue, or that color you like. Okay, but if you want to make it the white background, just select this one and then set OK, and then go to OK. And now you can see that the background is white. So it's up to you which color you like. You can make default color of your background. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.